Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful envelope from, guess what? Parchment paper. So yes, you can do envelope from parchment paper, and as you can see it looks very beautiful and very vintage. I hope that you're going to enjoy this video. First things first, please subscribe for my channel because it will help me to develop more my channel. Also, please like this video and watch the rest of the videos. I hope that you are going to find this and the rest of my videos useful. So let's begin. I've already prepared my paper, parchment paper. As you can see, it is parchment paper. So I'm going to use this beautiful envelope punch board, and I'm going to make this part is with centimeters. This 4 bar, this envelope, this one that is right there. I don't know, can you see it? I hope. So I realized that if you don't have this punching board, it's going to be a problem for you. So I'm going to make the same template with the same size, and I'm going to put it in my description box so you can trim out this template and you can draw over the parchment paper, cut it and make it as an envelope. So let's get started. Let me see what is written here. So the score is 7.9 centimeters. One and 4/4 is written here, but in my country we are using centimeters. I hope that is not so confusing for you. Let me remove this punch board. And I've also prepared some stuff to decorate. I made this bird It looks very beautiful. I'm sure that's a bit dark because the sun, it's already down. Put a little bit, but not so much because it's parchment paper and it's going to soak. So that's it. It's very, 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 very easy. And I'm going to decorate it very fast. Okay, like this looks very beautiful. Just put some glue here and there. Don't forget that parchment paper is very delicate. I don't try to use my sewing machine, but I assume that I won't like the result, because as I said, this paper is very delicate, so probably it's going to rip. I've never tried it. I'm going to try it, but I just think I'm not sure. I covered this bird, I think it's willow, if I'm not in some kind of mistake. So I used distress oxide sprays to decorate it, and in the end I put this beautiful stamp. So I like the way that it looks. It looks very vintage. So this is my decorated envelope from parchment paper. There it is. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was very fast. And one more time, please subscribe for my videos. I mean, for my channel, not for my videos, because it's impossible to subscribe for my videos. Sorry for the mistake. Never mind. Please subscribe for my channel, guys. I will appreciate it a lot, and I wish you amazing day, evening, depends of the parts of the world, and maybe day full of a lot of inspiration and love, and stay healthy. Bye bye guys, see you in my next video.